Intelligence Technology Company Limited is a professional and leading drone agricultural sprayer manufacturer located in China. Since 2012, JOYANCE Tech has focused on the research and development of sprayer drones and UAV application solutions. Our products have obtained CE, FCC, ROSE, ISO 9001 certifications, along with 13 national patents and 7 software copyrights. We have users and agents in more than 80 countries and have received significant positive feedback. Our sprayer drones, spreading drones, fogger drones, and biological control drones are widely used in agricultural spraying, seeding, pest control, and public disinfection. After several years of development, we have expertly designed 10LT, 16LT, 20LT, 30LT capacity sprayer drones. We can produce approximately 200 drones per month. The drones undergo 100% indoor and flight tests to ensure they are qualified and ready to fly before delivery. Our drones can fly fully automatically and spray intelligently. They provide protection from low battery, fail-safe, and obstacle detection functions to ensure flight safety. We offer professional technicians who can provide online and on-site training for free. Our parts are modular designed, which makes the drones easy to maintain. We also offer professional engineering support, a high-efficiency sales team, and superior competitive pricing that can support fast response time and one-on-one technical guidance. Our mission is to make the most desirable drones on the market. You are always welcome to contact us with any questions.